Hey, how you doing, everybody? CA Menu here, and today I'm in San Jose, California, at this great establishment called Walia Ethiopian Cuisine, located at 2208 Business Circle in San Jose, California. Nearest cross streets, I'd say, would be Bascom and West San Carlos. Kind of a little out of the way place, but they're supposed to have dynamite food here. I can hardly wait to try it out. Let's go in and see what they got. All right, I'm here with Joseph, General Manager and co-owner of Walia. How you doing today?
Very well. How about yourself?
Doing really good. Doing really good.
Thanks for coming out.
Well, thank you for having us. Really excited to try your cuisine today. It's been on the top of my mind all day.
Great. We're glad that you guys are here, and I can't wait to show you some of our popular items.
Great. Speaking of which, what is a fan favorite?
Well, the most popular item, we have a couple of items that are really popular with our customers, but the most popular one is Veggie Combo, which has a variety of vegetarian items, and that is very popular amongst not just vegetarians but also meat eaters. And we also have a lamb dish that's very popular. It's called the lamb kiwat, and it's a very tender, very savory dish that's very excellent. I have recommended to a number of customers, and has yet to disappoint anyone.
That's great. That's great to hear, Joseph. So how long have you guys been here?
We've been here for a little more than 2 years and a half. We're approaching our third year, and May 7th will be our third official year running this business, and it's been wonderful so far. We have the red lentils. It's packed in proteins. And make sure that spice that I showed, the Burberry spice.
The Burberry,
Good,
okay.
Exactly. That's what gives it its color. And we also have the split yellow peas, collard greens, chickpeas, cabbages, carrots. Okay. And on this side we have the beef spicy and beef non-spicy lamb dish, which is the best dish I think we have. It comes with a piece of bone. And we also have a chicken dish that has a drumstick and a boiled egg. Normally it comes without the boiled egg. And then we're gonna put that's the beef dish that we cooked from there. Essentially, people would have it like this, family style.
Okay.
This is designed so that it can be shared between 3-4 people. It's a family style.
All right. So I'm trying the marinated beef right now, which has a really good taste. Lightly spicy, nothing overpowering, and that Burberry seasoning. Really nice. Very nice. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Walia Ethiopian Cuisine. What can I say about this place? Definitely an experience. Family style servings, just great atmosphere, great food. A spice called Burberry was the first time for me. I thought it was just wonderful. It was in just about everything that they have. Once again, you got to come check it out. You won't be disappointed. This is CA Menu saying, whether you dine in or you dine out, FoodTube has definitely got you covered. Take care, everybody.